Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ledger Hardware Wallet Security, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Ledger Hardware Wallet. Take off the Ledger device and connect it to your computer using the provided USB cable. Once connected, your device will power on, displaying a welcome screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Ledger wallet. You will be prompted to choose a PIN code. Select a PIN that is secure but memorable for you. Confirm your chosen PIN by entering it again. After confirming your PIN, the device will generate your recovery phrase. This recovery phrase is crucial for accessing your wallet. Write down the recovery phrase on the provided recovery sheet. Ensure that you store this sheet in a safe place, away from prying eyes. Do not take a picture or store it digitally, as this compromises security. Once you have recorded your recovery phrase, the device will ask you to confirm it. Carefully input the words of your recovery phrase to verify. Once confirmed, your Ledger device will be ready for use. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile device. Open Ledger Live and select Get Started. Connect your Ledger device again if prompted. You will now need to allow Ledger Live to access your wallet. Follow the on-screen prompts to establish a secure connection. After linking, Ledger Live will display your wallet dashboard. You can now manage your cryptocurrencies from this interface. To add new accounts, click on the Accounts section. Select the assets you wish to add and follow the prompts. You're now set to receive, send, and manage cryptocurrencies securely. For added security, consider enabling passphrase protection on your device. Remember to keep your device firmware updated for optimal security. With these steps completed, your Ledger Hardware Wallet is now fully registered and secured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.